Edo black soup. Edo black soup. Hi my people, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are tuning in for the first time. We are making Edo black soup. You see this soup is more than a soup. This soup is medicinal. This soup is tasty and is super good. Like after eating the soup, your body will tell you that you ate something super nutritious and healthy. So everything I use for this soup making, this Edo black soup, will be in my description box, listed and detailed. Just take your time and write it down if you want to write it down, or screenshot it if that would be better for you. But pay attention to this video. One thing I know about Edo black soup is that if you want it to be delicious like this one I cooked in this video and have the original taste of that black soup, please use banga like I use in this video. That's the banga juice. Use it. Don't use palm oil, please. It does not taste the same way if you use palm oil. This soup is one in should I say 1 in a million? Okay. So in Nigeria we have variety of soup, but you see this one, it stands out. Not just because of the color that is weird, but it tastes super good. So everything I use, as I said earlier, will be in the description. If you have not subscribed to this channel before, please do well to subscribe to join the family. Everything I use will be written on the screen and on the description. Thank you so much for tuning in. The soup is ready. Oya, bring your plates. Oya. I can't wait to dig in. This soup is delicious and is best paired with fufu, semo, and pounded yam. You can't miss if you take any of these to eat this soup. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from it. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, okay? And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Before I say bye, let me quickly show you the leaves I use in making this delicious black soup. This is ugu, popularly known as fluted pumpkin. This is hot leaves, popularly known as Uziza leaf. And this is bitter leaf, Onubu in Igbo language. And the last is Utazi leaf. Bye.